How to remove supervision on Instagram. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get into the video. First thing first, you have to make sure that you are running the latest version of the app. Once you have the latest version, simply open the app. Enter your login credential as in your username and the password, and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will be landing you on its home page. Now move into your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then click on this 3 horizontal line at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are inside the settings and activity of the Instagram, scroll all the way down until you see the option where it says Family Center. Simply click on it. So right now, I haven't supervised any of the person on Instagram. So you'll get to see the option where it says Get Started. Click on it. Simply select the person that you want to supervise. Once you have supervised someone on Instagram, it will be available to you in this page. Simply click on their profile, and the option of Remove will be visible to you. Tap on Remove, and then click on Confirm. After that, the supervision will be removed successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can remove supervision on Instagram. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.